Aloha my Kurumba friends. Today I am at the Galle Literary Festival 2025. So this is my first time here. So let's roam around the Galle Literary Festival 2025 with Roaming Kurumba. Many people think that the Galle Literary Festival is something for the people who are coming with a literary background, featuring international and local authors with panel discussions and intimate gatherings. And of course, it's a big part of it. But this event is not just only about that. You also get to explore different arts, and even if you're someone who simply enjoys a good performance, this festival has something for you. Whether you love photography, music, creative arts, or even food, this festival welcomes everyone. And let's not forget the incredible location where this event happens. Galle Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This place has an immense history. Built by the Portuguese in 16th century, then fortified by the Dutch in 17th century, and later influenced by the British, this fort has been an important harbour for centuries. It was even mentioned in an account of the island of Ceylon by Robert Percival, where he noted that European ships arriving in Sri Lanka would get their first sighting of the island from Dondrahead and then head to their first port, which was named as Port de Galle in his book. So this place has always been somewhere where communities and cultures cross their paths. And even today, through the Galle Literary Festival, that tradition continues as authors, artists and attendees from all over the world gather here to share experiences and ideas. Now, if you are a young talent who is wondering whether you can be a part of this amazing event, here's something exciting. Yes, you can be a part of this event by volunteering. I actually ran into one of my friends at this event and have a look at about her experience during the Galle Literary Festival 2025 and how you can be a part of the next event.
Hey there, this is Adila, a volunteer of GLF, Sri Lanka's largest art and literary festival, Galle Literary Festival 2025, sharing my volunteer experience how I spent my last weekend. Galle Literary Festival is an opportunity for volunteers to connect with new friends, to connect with wonderful authors and sharing all the ideas and all, of course, yes, exploring the beauty of Galle. If you are interested to be a part of this volunteer, keep in mind that there is always a next time. See you there always. Bye.
First impressions, I really love each of and every tiny detail about this room because it's very aesthetic. Have a look. Right after when you enter the room, we have a beautiful mirror. Look at this. Very beautiful, and it's green and brown. Very cool to the eye. And so these tiny details and this beautiful Sri Lankan style wardrobe and the bed makes this room really nice and special. We have table lamps both sides, and you have all the necessary stuff here. I also want to thank Miss Melanie, who was the biggest support behind this video, who gave me the enough necessary permissions to do the whole roaming Kuruma vlog during the Galle Literary Festival. I'm super grateful for her support amidst her incredibly busy schedule over the past couple of 4 days during this event. And as someone who is always trying to take the beauty and the unique experiences that Sri Lanka has to offer to the world from scratch, from this roaming Kurumba, people like Melanie means so much. So I'm thanking again for her and each of and everyone who has been a part of my journey so far, and even you guys who are watching my videos and supporting my journey. Thank you so much. So if you found this informative and useful for you, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you soon with another video.